Good morning. Ramadan is full of blessing. Begins a sunny day. In Aceh, there is dawn romance. After getting ready for the dawn, prior many people left the house. To walk around enjoying the sunshine. It is said that this activity is beneficial for health. What's more, in the month of Ramadan, as far as the eye can see, there are many moments that we can is unique in the sunshine when people go to the field. The thatched hut protect from the sun. Sarung blanket the cool air. Looking at the beauty of nature, take a walk while telling stories full of joy.